Hey guys, welcome back to the Rough Cuts Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the oil and oil filter on this 2010 Honda XL700V Transalp. Today we're going to be using a Putaline Sport 4R semi-synthetic motorcycle oil for 4-stroke engines. It's a weight of 10W30, and for the filter is going to be a high flow Filtro premium oil filter, part code HF204. I'll be referencing the factory service manual for the Honda Transalp throughout this video. So now that the bike is warm, the next step will be to remove this undercowl here. You're going to need a number 5 hex socket, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 hex bolts. This one up here is significantly longer than the bolt down here. So now that the undercowl is off, come over here on the right side of your bike, and right here is the engine oil dipstick. So you loosen that off before draining the oil. And I like to just leave it sitting there, that way contaminants can't get into your oil sump as it's draining. It's just to create a vent. All right, so now you come over here, and right there is your oil drain plug. It's a 17mm socket. So right here is the drain bolt. One thing I noticed is it didn't have a washer here. It's supposed to have a washer, and you're supposed to replace that every time you change the oil. So you're going to have to tighten that drain bolt to 22 foot-pounds or 264 inch-pounds. So here's the two filters side by side. You can see they're the same dimensions. The company already applied grease to the O-ring here, so I'm not going to add engine oil as the factory service manual recommends. If you just have a dry O-ring here, apply some of the new engine oil to this ring and the mating surface on the bike itself to where that O-ring seals up. Now the manual calls for it to be torqued to 19 foot-pounds. However, I don't have the proper tool with a torque wrench to tighten this down properly, so I'm just going to go like nice hand-tight snug, and that should be good. Okay, so the next step is to fill the bike back up with oil. Okay, so to check the level of the oil, you need to run the bike, make sure it's warm. And then you take your dipstick, wipe it off, and then you just rest it back in the hole there. Take your bike, bring it upright, let the oil settle for a little bit, and then you can take your dipstick back out and take a reading. So I don't know if it's focusing there, but it's about halfway up the stick. So I might give it a little bit more, and then that'll be to the right level. All right, that sums up the oil change and filter change on this 2010 Honda Transalp. Hope this video helps, and we hope to see you next time. Cheers.